Good afternoon, geographers. Welcome to Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. So we had a chance to come down this weekend to just get away with some friends for a few days. And so that's why I had to do this video from the beach, even though my feet are totally on fire from the hot sand. Anyway, I grew up in Kansas and we did not have beaches, so this is a treat. Even though I don't really, I'm not necessarily a beach bum. I like coming here and I don't necessarily need to go swimming. I like to see the ocean, I like to see the water and the sand and the dunes, houses, but really I just enjoy getting away anywhere. So I enjoy the beaches in the winter too. But Rehoboth is about 3 hours or so away from DC, so it's not too terribly far. We have some friends that we were able to stay with. Otherwise, this is a crazy busy season. Other beaches that I would just throw out there as places that I've been that I enjoyed. Cayman Islands is probably one of my favorites. We went there last Christmas. Anguilla was amazing. We were there in 2016. I've been to the Dominican Republic and Thailand and a very remote beach in Myanmar that was just amazing. Very far to get to though. There's tons of beaches. I certainly don't have the experience. I haven't been to as many as I'd like, but hey, there's always more to explore, so that's the point. So wherever you are, try to think of when can you get to a beach, even if it is just to see the ocean. So wintertime is just as good as summer for different reasons. So that's my thought for the day. And now I'm gonna go jump in the water to cool my feet off. Have a good afternoon. Bye.